Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect EV charging data to Tableau dashboards, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect EV charging data to Tableau dashboards, first, gather your data sources. Ensure that your EV charging data is structured and accessible, typically in formats like CSV, Excel, or a database. Open Tableau Desktop to begin the connection process. In Tableau, go to the Data menu, then select New Data Source. Choose the type of data source that matches your EV charging data form. If you are using a CSV or Excel file, select Text File or Excel respectively. Locate the file on your computer and click Open. For databases, select the appropriate connector and enter your credentials. Once the data is loaded, Tableau will display a preview of your data within the Data Source tab. Review the fields and ensure they are correctly recognized by Tableau. You may need to rename fields or alter data types to fit your needs. Once your data is prepared, click on Sheet 1 at the bottom to start building your dashboard. Drag relevant dimensions and measures into the rows and columns shelves. Begin creating visualizations, selecting charts or graphs that best represent your data. Utilize filters to focus on specific date ranges or charging stations. Add calculated fields if necessary to derive additional insights from your data. Format the dashboard layout for clarity and ease of understanding. Incorporate legends, titles, and annotations as needed. After finalizing your visualizations, save your workbook. If you plan to publish, ensure you configure data refresh options if your data changes frequently. You can now share your dashboard with stakeholders or publish it to Tableau server for broader access. Review your dashboard for any improvements or additional insights that could enhance its effectiveness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.